Let's take a look at the temperatures. Hot temperatures, no doubt about it. Currently in the mid-90s, 94 degrees in Victoria, 80s along the coast with a little bit of sea breeze down there, but no matter where you go, we're dealing with the heat. And the radar showing a few little light showers. Had some earlier north of Inez area earlier this afternoon. They pretty much have faded away. It's one small shower, very tiny. You can see it there near Carson City. That's pretty much all she wrote. Mostly dry on the outside currently. With high pressure ridging in, we're going to keep those temperatures on the hot side and the conditions on the dry side for the time being. And temperatures currently will be the 80s, of course, by this afternoon and this evening. And then in the overnight tonight, once again in the 70s, they're 80 degrees. And then by 2 o'clock on your Sunday, here we go once again, 94 degrees predicted, 95 or so. Maybe triple digits. That's air temperature now. They're in Carson City, Beeville area. It's very hot out in the western parts of the Crossroads area. 95 degrees in Victoria. And then by 10 o'clock in the evening, of course, 81 degrees. We pretty much repeat the same process as we go toward your Monday into the rest of next week as high pressure builds on in, pushes all the moisture away, then gives us hot temperatures to stay for the time being. Looking at the high pressure ridge currently to the west, easing its way further to the east with time, as you see there, slowly but surely. And that'll be pretty much on top of our area here, coming up for the majority of the week next week, keeping the rain out of forecast, going up and over the high pressure ridge and giving us hot temperatures, of course. And look at the drought monitor. We're still on the dry side, had a little bit of rainfall over the last couple of days, but not really enough to do any consequence around here, keeping on the dry side for the time being. And with the no rain in sight, looks like the drought monitor will continue to build across our area here, so we do need the rainfall. Unfortunately, not really seeing anything anytime soon around here. And taking a look at the tropics, well, got the big view here. Here's Texas over here for a frame of reference. And the Gulf of Mexico, Caribbean Sea, Atlantic Ocean has some areas of disturbed weather, but not anything tropical in nature all the way down to the African coast. You see right there off the Lesser Antilles. A few light showers there near Puerto Rico. Nothing organized at all, keeping it on the quiet side for the time being in the tropics. We'll keep watching, of course, as we get closer into the primetime hurricane season, which will be in August and September, of course. And take a look at your day planner. This is coming up for Port Lavaca for 6 o'clock in the morning tomorrow morning, 82 degrees. Maybe a little bit of patchy fog out there. 12 noon above 90, 90 by noon. Sunny skies at 4 o'clock, in the 90s, of course, by then. And then by 8 o'clock in the evening, once again in the upper 80s or so. And Cuero, pretty much the same, near 80 degrees by the time you wake up early in the morning time on 6 a.m. Sunny skies by 12 noon, above 90 degrees by noon time. Sunny skies 4 o'clock to 8 o'clock in the afternoon with highs in the 90s, of course. Our extended forecast, rain out of the forecast and the sun in right on through the next several days down the road. This high pressure pretty much plants itself over South Texas. Highs in the 90s, of course. Lows near 80 degrees. No rain in our forecast. Heat index value approaching 110 in the afternoon time. So be prepared for that. And take all your precautions, drink plenty of water, find some shade, and be safe out there. And take a look at this, if you will.